The eat symbol is a person putting a spoon into their mouth. There is something to eat on the spoon. The person is using the spoon to eat. Eat means putting food into your mouth and moving it down into your belly. She has an apple to eat. He has candy to eat. Watch the mouth. Eat. See how the lips make a smile for E? Eat. Watch the tongue. It goes up behind the teeth on top for T. Eat. Find the word eat on your talker.
That clip you just saw is part of an app we call Word Lab. In Word Lab, kids learn the meanings of words, and then we connect those meanings to the symbols they see in commonly used AAC talker apps. Kids learn how to say the words using their mouth, their body, and their AAC talker. There's 50 modules for core words, and each module contains a different lesson and interactivity so that kids are practicing as they're learning. To have access to all of our apps and all of our content, go to getgoalie.com or click on the link below. Also, consider getting a Goalie dedicated tablet. There's no YouTube, there's no web browser, there's no app store, there's nothing to distract your kids from Goalie apps and content.